Welcome. In front of me is DELL Latitude 3520, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change date and time on this laptop. To do that, right-click the time icon in the bottom right corner of the screen on the status bar, select Adjust Date and Time. Then in order to set time manually, you have to switch the toggle off next to Set Time Automatically option, and then click Change. Then expand this list and select the values that you need for both date and time. Then click Change to confirm. Now be aware that by changing the time and date to incorrect ones, you will make some online services unavailable, since they require your time and date to be correctly set on your PC. So use this function reasonably. And for this video, that will be all. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.